Chapter 4. Starting Windows 10. This chapter includes starting Windows, desktop background, taskbar, start button, icons, gadgets. Starting Windows. Windows 10 is the most recent version of the Microsoft Windows operating system. While older versions of Windows mainly ran on desktop and laptop computers, Windows 10 is also designed to run equally well on tablets. Let us learn how to start working on Windows 10. The Windows 10 startup screen. This is the first screen you will see when you turn on your computer. Click on the image with the mouse or press the up arrow key to go to the login screen. Signing in to Windows 10. You have to create a Microsoft account the very first time you use Windows 10.
So, whenever you turn on the computer, you'll need to sign into that account.
To do this, type your password into the box and press Enter. The button on the bottom right has 3 options for the PC to sleep, shut down, or restart. Once you type in your password, you can get to the home screen. Desktop. The first screen which appears after you sign in to Windows is called Desktop. The desktop is the main workspace for your computer. From here, you can view and manage your files, open applications, access the internet, and much more. Components of desktop. Taskbar, Search, Start menu, File Explorer, Task View, Windows Store, Volume, Notification, Clock, Microsoft Edge, or Internet Explorer. Taskbar is located at the bottom of the desktop. It has the following components. Windows icon. On the left side of the taskbar, there is a Windows icon. Click on it to open Start menu.
Cortana box or search box where you can type a query to find something.
Task View icon that allows you to add multiple desktops. The next icon on the bar is the Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge icon. The taskbar contains shortcuts to applications. There is an icon for File Explorer which allows you to access all your files in your system. Windows Store. The Windows Store has various apps and games. When you open a program or file, it will appear on the taskbar and you can easily switch between different programs by selecting them on the taskbar. Some programs will have shortcuts on the taskbar for easy access. In this example, there are shortcuts to Microsoft Edge, File Explorer, and the Windows Store. On the right side of the taskbar, a system tray area is there that contains notification icons and a clock to see the date and time. There will also be shortcuts to various settings like Internet settings and sound volume. Start button. Select the Start button on the taskbar. It shows your username at the top left. Username. Most used section. Start button. Below that, there is a most used section. This section will show the items most frequently used by the current user. The next section on the right is a collection of apps called Life at a Glance. This is a collection of applications like Calendar, Mail, Photos, Search, News, the Windows Store, Weather, etc. Play and Explore section has the following items in it: music, video, the Xbox app, etc. There are also options for File Explorer, Settings, Power, Restart, Shutdown, All Apps. All apps are used to see a full list of applications listed in alphabetical order. Opening applications. To open any application, click the Start button. Select All Apps to see all list of applications or programs installed in your system. Click on any character or letter to jump to that alphabetical order in all apps. Icons. Icon is used to represent any file, folder, or application. Let's learn more about icons. Selecting or deselecting icons. Steps to select an icon. Step 1. Take the mouse pointer over the icon you want to select. Step 2. Click the left mouse button to select it. Steps to deselect an icon. Step 1. Take the pointer away from the icon. Step 2. Click the left mouse button once. Sorting icons. Arranging icons on the desktop is called sorting icons. We can sort items by name, size, item type, and date modified. Steps to sort icons. Step 1. Right-click anywhere on the blank area of the desktop. Step 2. From the pop-up menu, select Sort by option. Step 3. A sub-menu appears. Select the option of your choice. Show or hide desktop icons. You can show or hide the icons available on the desktop. Steps to show or hide the icons. Step 1. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. A pop-up menu appears. Step 2. Click the View option from the list. A sub-menu appears. Step 3. Click the Show Desktop Icons to uncheck it. This will hide all the icons on the desktop. If you want to get back the icons on your desktop, click the Show Desktop Icons again. Changing the size of desktop icons. We can also change the size of the desktop icons by following the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. Step 2. From the shortcut menu, select View. Step 3. Select any of the 3 options displayed: large icons, medium icons, or small icons. Some important icons of the desktop. Recycle bin. When you delete a file, it is moved to the recycle bin. Folders. Folders are used to store files. You can keep folders, files on the desktop so they can be easily accessed. This PC. It is used to access all the drives, folders and files on the system. Windows 10 Live Tiles. Windows 10 Live Tiles are interactive apps that use the internet to bring live updates to the users. Live tiles are on the right side of the start screen. There are a variety of live tiles that are by default available to the users. Some of them are News. This app brings you the most recent and critical news and top international headlines as well. Mail app. You can set up your mail account to view and manage all your mails through this app. Calendar. It can manage all your email and calendar events into one place. You can also open Calendar by clicking on the clock at the right corner of the taskbar. Weather. This tile displays the weather forecast. People. It is used to add contacts. You have to fill in name, phone, email address of the person whose contact you want to add. When you add somebody to the People app, it makes that person available in your mail contacts and calendar app. Pinning tiles to start. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Click on All apps. Step 3. Right-click on the app that you want to add to the Start menu. Step 4. Select the option Pin to Start. The selected app is displayed in the right pane in the form of a tile. Note: you can also drag the app and drop it in the tiles area as well as taskbar to display in the right pane of the Start menu and taskbar respectively. Resizing tiles. Follow the given steps to resize the tiles according to your choice. Step 1. Right-click on the tile and select the option Resize. Step 2. Select the size of your choice. Shutting down your computer. It is important to shut down your computer properly. To do this, click the Start button, then choose Power, Shut down. Mouse pointer shape. The shape of the mouse pointer changes according to the action we perform. Busy. It means that computer is busy and wants you to wait. Normal. For pointing, selecting, dragging the items on the screen. Double-headed arrow. For resizing the window or pictures. Four-headed arrow. For moving pictures and toolbars. I-beam. For inserting text in a document. Working in background. It means that computer is processing while you are working. Recap. Windows 10 is the most recent operating system by Microsoft. Start menu is located on the taskbar. You need to create an account to log in to Windows 10. Programs in all apps are arranged in alphabetical order. Arranging the icons on the desktop is called sorting the icons. There are some interactive apps present in Windows, live tiles like weather, mail, people, etc. Let's revise quickly. The first screen which appears after you sign in to Windows is called Desktop. All apps is used to see all list of applications or programs installed in your system. Taskbar is located at the bottom of the desktop. It has Start menu on the left side. Hiding or showing desktop icons. Right-click on empty area, click View, click Show desktop icons to uncheck it. Windows 10 Live Tiles are interactive apps that use the internet to bring live updates to users.